Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Jan, and in today's video I'm going to share 7 different lunch ideas for babies. Let's get started. All 7 recipes are very simple and less time consuming. Most of them are going to be one pot recipe. Let's begin with dal spinach rice first. Spinach for babies. Spinach has a high amount of water in it, which helps the baby hydrated, and it is also good for bone and muscle development. Spinach is natural laxative, thus helps in good bowel movement. You can use any greens. Here I have taken spinach. Along with the spinach, I have taken potatoes. Potatoes helps developing baby's gastrointestinal health. Also, potatoes will give a good texture to the food. In this recipe, I am using white rice and moong dal. Rice is rich in calcium and iron, whereas moong dal rich in zinc and iron. Moong dals are less allergic and easy digestible. Before introducing any other dal, you can introduce moong dal to your baby. Make sure you use the rice and dal which is soaked for at least 30 minutes of time. After 3 whistles in the cooker, once the pressure is down, mash the food nicely so that your baby can swallow it easily. Transfer it to your serving bowl and drizzle in half teaspoon of ghee before you feed the baby. Next we will see broken wheat or dalia veg khichdi. Dalia means cracked wheat and it is very popular all over India. It is familiarly called as broken wheat. It is a healthy alternative to the whole wheat as it contains bran in it. It has lot of nutritional value. Broken wheats are good source of minerals, which in turn helps in development of child, both mental as well as physical. Here I have taken half cup of mixed vegetables, which includes carrots, beans, peas, potato. You can do any mix and match of the vegetables. Nutritional value of all the ingredients which are used in the recipe are given in the description box below. Next we will see broccoli, peas, brown rice porridge. Broccoli is very high in vitamin C and is a good source of soluble fiber. This makes broccoli wonderful to add to babies' food recipes. Soluble fiber is the fiber that helps loosen up the bowels. I am using peas along with broccoli. Peas are first green food you can give it to your baby. It is very tummy friendly and packed with a lot of nutritions, also pleasant to eat. Next we will see the carrot rice. Carrots are baby's most favorite food due to the natural sweetness which is present in it. Carrots are rich in vitamin K, which helps blood clot properly, and also rich in vitamin B6, which is necessary for skin, hair, eye and liver health. Moreover, it is packed with lot of fibers. Next we will see dal rasam rice. Let's make dal rice first and then we will make a tomato rasam and we are going to mix it together. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C. When added to rice, it helps in iron absorption that presents in the rice. Tomatoes are not recommended for babies less than 10 months old due to the presence of high acidity in tomatoes, which may upset the little tummy. You can also skip this step of preparing dal rice. You can just mix the tomato rasam, which we are going to prepare next, in the white rice. Mash the dal rice and keep it ready. Then we will make the tomato rasam. For tomato rasam, into the mixer grinder jar, add in tomatoes, followed by garlic, followed by coriander leaves. Coriander leaves can be given to babies who are 8 months old. Then add in pepper and cumin powder. Then add 1/4 cup of water and grind the mixture. Make sure you filter the rasam before you add in to the rice. Drizzle in some ghee to add more flavor. Next we will see ghee jeera rice. Ghee is high in calories and thus helps babies gain weight after being weaned from breast milk. Here I have taken 7 shallots or small onions. Grind it to form a paste. At the same time, cumin aids in immune function. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties. It is going to be more nutritious when added with ghee. Add the ground small onion paste into ghee and cumin, followed by a pinch of salt. Mix it well. We are going to add this mixture to the white rice. Make sure you mash the rice very well. The rice mashes well when it is hot. Last but not least, it's curd rice. Very simple to prepare. Curd is very nutritious. Curd contains calcium and phosphorus, which helps in bone strength. It also contains a protein and fat, which helps in baby's rapid growth. In addition, the active live cultures in yogurt make the lactose and protein in milk easier to digest. Hope you all liked the 7 different lunch ideas for babies. Don't forget to give it a try. Hope the video is useful. Do like, comment and share the video with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also follow Jan as Mommy on Instagram. See you all in another wonderful video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.